Welcome! If you're looking to give your Facebook experience a fresh new look, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to enable dark mode on your Facebook page using the Facebook app on your PC following the latest update. Dark mode not only looks sleek, but it's also easier on your eyes, especially during those late-night browsing sessions. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the features. Once you're in, head to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your page profile photo. Click on it. This will open up a menu with several options. Next, look for the option labeled Settings and Privacy. Click on it to expand the menu and then select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage all your Facebook settings. Now, in the Settings menu, find and click on the section called Dark Mode. This is where you can customize the appearance of your Facebook page. You'll see a couple of options here, but to enable dark mode, simply choose On. As soon as you do, your Facebook page will switch to a darker color scheme, making everything easier on your eyes and giving your page a modern, stylish look. That's it! You've successfully enabled dark mode on your Facebook page using the latest version of the Facebook app on your PC. If you ever want to switch back to the classic look, just follow these same steps and choose Off instead. Dark mode is a great way to personalize your browsing experience and reduce eye strain. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on getting the most out of your favorite social media platforms. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new dark mode experience on Facebook.